Okay, remember yesterday we had the discussion about the brownies and stealing, and I couldn't have any and everything else. Well, last night, have you checked?
No, I haven't. 'Cause I trust you.
Last night you didn't trust me. You said last night you definitely stole them. Why did you steal my brownies? Here's proof. I didn't steal the brownies. I didn't steal any of the brownies. So for my good effort, I think I should be entitled to one. No, I don't want the tidbits.
Bits.
No, I want one of the
Ends
center
and
brownies.
corners.
One.
Ends and corners.
I'm getting one. She cut them into little tiny pieces. I had one anyway, though. She didn't have a fit, though. Well, this will be, well, technically this is going to be the last beach walk for this year.
Yep.
Because when we get back, it'll be next year.
2017.
Yep, 2017. Well, this will be the last beach walk for 2017 will be new beach walks. And as far as walking on white sand, that's not happening. But there'll probably be walking on white stuff coming up as we head back to the Winter Wonderland. So next week we'll be doing, we hope, videos from Maine, Vermont, New England. So it'll give you a different little perspective on, totally different than here. Well, this guy just washed in. He's still flapping pretty good. I'm gonna give him a try, see if we can save him. Well, I don't see him, so I saw him swim away out there, so hopefully he's got enough strength to keep swimming. We did our part. Odd, right? But I went upstairs. That's the shirt I'm going to wear for traveling back tomorrow. And I went upstairs and I hadn't worn it in a while. It's, I don't know. It was all not moldy, but it had absorbed a little bit too much salt moisture. So it needed a wash. And it needs to dry by morning. Well, the list is getting dwindled down. I haven't seen any kitties today. That's why that's sitting there. I don't know. I was hoping today we'd give them their last of their foods, but I don't know. But we're getting stuff done. I've got to go next, I think, deliver a rum cake, and then I don't know what we'll do after that. Yeah, we'll get it done. Well, the porch is pretty much cleaned up. Hopefully the tomato plant, oh look, there's a tomato. Oh, I wonder if it'll be ready when we come back. Those are Brandywine tomatoes. And hopefully everybody makes it. But there's not much we can do. So things are just about done. Got a couple more things to do. I've got to pull in the propane tank and seal the line before the end of the day. But Sid's got a little cooking to do. The vegetables, well, hopefully they make it. Sid's going to be upset if that tomato doesn't, but there's not much we can do about it. The rest of everything, it's like the last day before you leave. There's a lot of stuff to do, and you get it all done, and then it's just sort of sitting and killing time, waiting. So we may end up actually going for another beach walk. Sid just went to the store for some, I think she went, a couple of potatoes. Yep, that's what she went for. And after that, it'll be tonight. We'll watch a movie, get up, and then have a fun travel day tomorrow.
As you move your body next to me, there's so much more to lose. When you talk, all you wanna do is talk. All I wanted was your focus.
Yeah, so that plane was right there when we came through. And then we went from there, around, back to here. And he was just paddling out. I don't see it. How could he have taken off that quick?
Didn't hear a thing.
Didn't hear a thing, nothing. It's like a magic plane or something. Ah, there it is. I see it now. Okay.
Camouflage.
Yeah. There it goes. Well, that's about it for today. Got a little bit left to do inside here. Take in the gas, dinner, stuff like that. Tomorrow's the fun travel day. And then the scenery changes drastically.